The charging process can also cause batteries to heat up, so leave the battery compartment lid open to help cool them off. This will also allow any hydrogen gas to dissipate safely. Once the charger indicates the battery has a full charge, you can disconnect the charger's cable and reconnect the forklift's cable. Charging can take a while, so many companies routinely do it overnight. For newer electrical truck models, there is no need to lift the hood or to start and stop the charger. Simply plug the charger's cable into the truck and it will start to recharge on its own. When you're done recharging, unplug the cable and the truck is ready to go. If you have questions regarding the recharging process, check your electrically powered truck's manual or talk to your supervisor. You and your forklift can get a lot of work done together, but you have to be able to operate it safely. Let's review. A forklift is a specialized piece of equipment, and it has special handling requirements. You need to know how to keep a forklift stable under different operating conditions. Inspect your forklift before every use. You should know how to refuel or recharge it safely as well. Make sure you can see clearly when operating your forklift, even if it means driving in reverse. Stay alert for pedestrians and other vehicles. Use caution in high traffic areas. Operating a forklift in a busy workplace is a big responsibility, and it can be a challenge. But now that you know how a lift works and how to deal with its limitations, you're ready to get the job done safely every day.